66 divided by 6 over 2, then times 2. First we do this multiplication. 6 over 2 times 2. We can easily cancel this 2 and this 2. So here we have just 6. And 66 divided by 6 equals 11. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, when we have, according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 66 divided by 6 over 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 2. 66 times 2 over 6, then times 2. First we do this multiplication. Okay, 6 divided by 6 gives us 1, and 66 divided by 6 is 11. So 11 times 2 equals 22. So 22 times 2, which equals 44. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 44.